IVM.
Hi, and welcome to Smile India, the podcast that gets you news that's true and positive from all over the country. I'm your host, Shifa Maitra. So let's get started. Dorji Palmo is a young mother who works in the revenue department in Leh. Her little 2-month-old child is recovering from a surgery 1,000 miles away in Delhi. The baby has a father and uncle with him, but what the doctors needed was the mother's breast milk. Dorji could not travel to Delhi due to a host of reasons, so she took bottles of her milk to the airport and requested a passenger traveling to Delhi to carry it. At the Delhi airport, her husband took the milk and the baby was fed. The child is getting better and needs to be fed every day. Now the family was in a fix, and they hesitatingly approached an airline official who saw all the paperwork. In a couple of hours, the airline, Vistara, offered to transport the milk and empty bottles every day free of cost. Next, even the hospital, seeing the huge financial strain on the family, is treating the child free of charge. The doctors feel like these dedicated parents deserve it. I believe we need to just ask, and the universe will show us how wonderful people really are. Being close to nature makes a lot of us feel like writing poetry. Thankfully, not everyone gives in to the urge. Building on this feeling, the Uttarakhand Forest Department has done something delightful. They have put up nature-inspired poetry in 18 of their conservation centers across the state. Aesthetically created posters with the works of legends like Rabindranath Tagore, Ghalib, Ruskin Bond, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, Nirala, and Gulzar greet visitors. 110 such poems can be read amidst nature at Ranikhet, Nainital, Munisiari, and Haldwani. The only poem in Kumauni written by Sumitra Nandan Pant is on Buransh, the rhododendron plant, and this one is on display at the Rhododendron Center in Munisiari. Efforts like this definitely add to the experience. Full marks to the Forest Department. Now let me tell you about a brand new district collector with a difference. The candidate who stood third in the Maharashtra Public Service Commission exams this year is Wasima Sheikh from Nanded. What is amazing about this confident young lady is that she studied in a vernacular school in the village and took no coaching classes to clear these exams. Most students spend years at expensive classes before they attempt these exams. Wasima only took coaching once to familiarize herself with the syllabus. Beyond that, she could not afford it. When she topped her SSC exams in the Taluka a couple of years ago, her village did not even have electricity. From a large family with few means, Wasima realized that education is what could take her ahead. Her older brother wanted to take the exams too, but had to become a rickshaw driver instead. He made sure his sister kept studying after all the hard work she was putting in. And when she became a sales tax inspector, she helped her brother and younger sister graduate. Totally self-taught Wasima, who will soon be a district collector, hopes to help people across India. From Muzaffarnagar in UP comes news that's amusing. A local businessman, Raj Shantanu, has created a wooden replica of a Harley-Davidson bike. That's right. He claims he loves bikes and woodwork, so he made a one-of-its-kind bike that he lovingly calls Woody Passion. It's 9.2 feet long and runs at 60 kilometers per hour. Raj loves the way people stare at him when he goes for a ride. Some stop to take selfies and Raj can't stop grinning. It's an unusual passion, but hey, if you can afford it, why not? And now, before I sign off, here are some tips if you're back home with your parents and both sides are finding it tough. To begin with, thank your stars you have a family you can go to. Here are a few things both sides can do to stay sane together. Firstly, communicate. If you're an adult, say your piece without losing your cool. As a parent, come to terms with the fact that your child is an adult. And of course, chat about fun things as you build happy memories. The next is set a new routine that works well for both sides and respect it. As an adult, respect the routine your parents have set and the fact that you have to do your share of the chores. As a parent, understand that work from home is work too, and your child needs time and privacy after that as well. And lastly, learn from each other. Let the younger ones teach parents how to have fun in the digital world, while parents can pass on some household hacks and tips on cooking or gardening. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on IVM Network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on our social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, it's at Shifa Maitra on Instagram and Twitter. I will see you soon with a new episode of Smile India.
I hope you enjoyed that show. It's been a really fun week this week, as it is almost every week, but this week was particularly fun. Parmesh Shahani was on Cyrus Says, great conversation over there. We had a crossover event. Vineet Kanabar, host of the Storytellers and Storytellers podcast, came on Uncle Please Sit. Really interesting conversation about the future of digital content. Besides that, it was the 50th episode this week of Agla Station Adulthood. Congratulations to Ritasha and Ayushi. But yeah, they're 50 episodes down. They had Rekha Jha as the guest on that show. On Advertising is Dead, Varun had the founders of Foxymoron, Suvir Bajaj and Pratik Gupta on. Another really, really interesting conversation. So full of interesting conversations this week, and I hope to see you again next week.
Hi, my name is Anupam Gupta. I'm B50 on Twitter. I am the host of Paisa Vaisa, a show that talks money. On my show, I speak to experts from every field of money and finance, from stock markets, equities, debt funds, credit cards, life insurance, every possible area of money and finance that you can think of. We even did an episode on cryptocurrency. I've got fantastic guests from mutual funds to personal finance experts everywhere. Robo-advisory, startups, just name it, we've got it. At Paisa Vaisa, we help you make smart decisions about money. You work hard for money. Now make your money work hard for you. New episodes out every Monday, and you can listen to my show on the IVM Podcast app or any other podcasting app that you have.